But it's cute to see when a man is overprotective over what is his, you know. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Ikondlovukazi and you are tuned into Diary of a Dark Skin Girl. Today we're doing 10 things that men do that we women love. So if you're a gent out there, take your pen and your paper, boys. This is for you. So let's get started. So tip number 1 is hand rubs, guys. We love hand rubs. You know that when we're like together in public, just take my hand, just rub my hand. I love it. Like if we're walking together, hold my hand. You know, those kind of things, those hand gestures. It shows that you actually care and it's just sweet. So point number 2 is thigh rubs, guys. Thigh rubs are the most cutest gesture ever that a boy can do, you know? Like maybe when he's driving and he takes his other hand, just put it in between your thighs. Oh my gosh. Yeah, like it just makes us feel all mushy. Like, okay. So only do it if you're with your person. Don't just do it with just anybody, you know, like with your girl and you know that she's comfortable with such things. Do it. But if you're with someone that you're still trying out, she might slap you and I don't want you to come back and be like, but you said, nah, I said with your girl. Okay. Also, another cute gesture that boys do are forehead kisses. We love forehead kisses, guys. Just kiss my hand. Make me all shit. Point number 4, cuddles from the back. You know that surprise cuddle, you know that maybe you're with your friend and you're just looking at the other way, you know, and then a guy comes from behind and just gives you like a little cuddle and you're like, oh, that's big. You know that big. Oh shoot. We love them. So surprise us, getting cuddles from the back, you know, hold me. Another point, guys, claim me in public, you know. Like for instance, I'm with you, right? I'm with you and then your colleague comes along or your friend comes along. Like just introduce me as like, this is my woman, you know? Don't be like, this is Ndlovukazi or whatever the case may be. Just be like, this is my girl, you know? This is my woman. Another thing that we love is a man who is very overprotective over us. Like a man who, oh, I feel like if you were to be like, Siso said, he wants to see me, and this is like a random dude, and your babe's like, nah, not my girl. If he wants to see you, he better see us both. We love that thing. Like a man who's so overprotective over us. Like, protect me, babes. It's not as if I need protection, but it's cute to see when a man is overprotective over what is his, you know. So another thing that we love are good morning texts and good night texts. Like it shows that you're actually thinking about me when you wake up. It shows that you're thinking about me when you're about to sleep. So yeah, like text me, baby. We love a man who's attentive. Like pay attention to your woman. See if she's not okay. You know, if she's not okay, why is she not okay? How can I help you type of vibes. Don't just be there and be like, okay, she's stressing over whatever and she's laying her dragons, whatever dragons she's laying, and you don't even care. Like the only thing you care about is like, okay, boo, when can I see you again? Like when can, oh no. Pay attention to your woman. Also a very important point, guys, consistency. We love a consistent man. Okay? Like how you work to get me, continue with it. Another point that we women love is a man who actually remembers small little details about us. You know, when I tell someone like small little details about me and then I forget about it, and then one day when we're like all chilling and he tells me, remember when you said A, B, C, and D? We love it. Like we love a man who remembers like small as details about us. So yeah, pay attention. It shows that you're actually paying attention and you're attentive, and that is a plus. Another thing that we love, guys, is name calling. Like name call me, okay? Find a cute ass pet name that you want to call me with and stick with it. Even if we're having an argument, like Kinabe to you. Even if you are mad and you don't want anything to Kinabe to you. Until me and you break up, I am babe to you. So continue, man. Continue pet naming me. You know, even if you're like angry and you want nothing to do with me, you're like, oh, you make me angry, babe. I'm like, yeah, babe. I'm sorry. You know, that kind of thing. Don't be like, you make me angry. Sandra or patient. No, don't call me Sandra ever. Okay, Sandra is also a cute pet name. That's actually my name. But no, don't call me by my name. Okay, call me babe, babe, not babe to you until we break up. Basically. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. It has been absolutely amazing to make you this video. As always, do subscribe if you haven't. Press the notification bell. Also follow me on my social media platforms. You already know what it is. Bye.